friends. I'm Lorianne.
And I'm Sherry.
Welcome to Dare to Dream.
Here we'll explore some famous and not so famous contributors to life as we know it. Each week, we'll highlight a different contributor and share an activity that's going to get you thinking, creating, and problem solving.
This is all part of Neenah Library's Take and Create series. Everything you see in today's video will be included in your kit. You can request a kit with the book bundle request form found on our website.
Today's Dare to Dream is inspired by the book Play-Doh Pioneer. Play-Doh got its start as a cleaning product called Cut-All, created by Joseph McVicker. It was used to clean coal soot from wallpaper.
Cut-All, through many modern inventions, was becoming obsolete. With a school teacher in the family, Kate Zafal, figured out that it made amazing modeling clay when she gave it to her students to play with.
Kate convinced the family to start selling it as a children's toy. And by 2003, the Toy Industry Association named Play-Doh one of the 100 most memorable and most creative toys of the 20th century. McVicker's shaped the way to play for over 60 years.
Thanks to Kate and the McVicker family, we now have this viscoelastic material which holds many childhood memories in our hearts and known to us all as Play-Doh.
A dough like Play-Doh can easily be made at home with hot water, flour, oil, and salt. We've included the directions for this in your kit. Also in your kit are the supplies to make gelatin slime. It's slimy, it's stretchy, and we know you and your parents are gonna love it. Here's how we put it together.
And as always, dare to dream.